Believe it or not, Hull has some big and exciting developments happening right now. Here are 3 of them you might not know about. The A63 dual carriageway into Hull is undergoing a huge transformation. The old Mytongate traffic lights caused massive delays during peak times, so it's being replaced with a new split-level junction. It's now in its final major phase and is expected to be finished later this year or early next. The ongoing Queen's Gardens redevelopment aims to modernise the gardens by rebuilding the area and replacing the old dying trees with new younger ones. It will also help the gardens host large-scale events with better power cable placement and amphitheatre-style steps and seating along the embankment. All this, along with a new drainage system, EV charging and beautiful art pieces, will make it a real gem of the city once it's finished, hopefully next year. Everyone has an opinion on what should happen with Whitefriargate, once a lively shopping high street with plenty of household names and local favourites. The ongoing regeneration project begun when £1.75 million was awarded to the council from Historic England in September of 2020. Ever since then, Whitefriargate has been gradually rebuilding, and you can see results already, with loads of new shops, cafes and bars along the street. We've got detailed videos on each of these projects on our page, and we've got more to come, so let us know what you think and give us a follow for more videos like this.